For many people, the idea of being on camera is very challenging. Lucky for you, there's something called a Faceless YouTube channel. Yes, you heard that right. Faceless YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll zero in on how to create a faceless YouTube channel, as well as give you ideas for creating these videos that don't require you to be an expert video editor. Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual, the curator of this channel. Thank you all so much for joining today. If you're a newbie and you like what you see, please do well to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get that insightful, interesting, one-of-one notification. Thank you so much. What is a faceless YouTube channel? As the name implies, is a channel where the creator does not show their face on camera or reveal their real name. Instead, they remain anonymous or use pseudonym. Channels of this nature typically center their type of content around niches like product reviews, tutorials, commentary on viral current events, utilizing voiceovers or other visuals to pass their message effectively. The anonymity associated with such channels can evoke feelings of mystery or intrigue amongst viewers, thereby offering the creators a freedom to express themselves without the fear of consequences or bashing. However, it may hinder the viewer's ability to form a personal connection or even trust the creator because, they don't even know who is behind the scene. Some famous faceless YouTube channels include Grade A Under A. With more than 3.7 million subscribers, this channel delivers anonymous commentary on a range of subjects spanning from social issues and pop culture to news updates. Kiki Foodies, a Nigerian food blogger, is also a faceless YouTuber. She owns a faceless YouTube channel that demonstrates how to prepare a lot of Nigerian recipes. She currently has over 650,000 subscribers. I'll leave links to more successful faceless YouTube channels in my description box, so maybe you can use them as a guide or even an inspiration to start yours. There are countless niches you could jump on for a faceless YouTube channel, such as anonymous cooking channels where the focus is on the recipe and the food, voiceover channels that provides news commentary and analysis on viral current happenings or events, anonymous book review channels where the focus is on the literature rather than on the personality of the person creating the video, aka you. DIY channels where the hands of the creator are featured and not their faces. Educational channels that teaches languages. ASMR channels featuring calming sounds. That one is a hit. People are jumping on it a lot. Anonymous travel vlog channels that focuses on the experience of the travel and not the traveler. So it shows where you're going to, you show the scenery, you show the local things happening there, everything but your face basically. Anonymous music channels that showcases instrumentals and ambient music. Game channels where the focus is on the gameplay rather than on the personality of the gamer. Anonymous finance channels that provide advice and tips on budgeting, saving, and investment. The list is vast. I can go on and on with this, but just to keep this video short, I'll leave the rest in the description box so you can just get an inspiration or two from that. You have the best chance of succeeding as a faceless YouTuber using topics that you already know about. For example, if you know how to cook, by all means start a faceless YouTube recipe channel. Now that you know what a faceless YouTube channel is, and hopefully you already know the niche you're about to venture into, next is to look for a sustainable way to create and edit your videos. While you might have eliminated the problem of being on camera, do not overlook the efforts required to create faceless videos. It is essential to establish a streamlined, consistent process for producing your content effectively. Here are some approaches to promptly and effectively produce and edit videos for your faceless YouTube channel. Number 1, plan ahead. Before you start filming, plan out the content and structure of your video. This will help you to stay focused and save time during the filming and editing process. Number 2, use a script. Writing a script or outline for your video can help you stay organized and ensure that you cover all the key points you want to make. 3, film in batches. If possible, film several videos at once to save time and maximize your filming efficiency. 4, use a simple filming setup. You don't need a lot of expensive equipment to film quality videos. Use a simple filming setup with good lighting if need be, and a stable camera to keep things easy and efficient. Number 5, edit with a plan. When editing your videos, have a clear plan of what you want to achieve. Avoid getting caught up in insignificant details that won't significantly affects your video's overall quality. The next point is to use templates and presets. If you use editing softwares like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, use templates and presets to speed up the editing process. These can save you time by providing already made graphics, effects, and transitions that you can quickly apply to your videos. The last point is to outsource editing. That is, if you don't have the time or the skills to edit your own videos, then you should outsource it to a professional editor or use websites like Fiverr, where you can get on-site professional editors that are so experienced in the field and will just make the work simple for you with just a little fee. I have a code with Fiverr that you can use to save some coins on the website. I will leave same in my description box. If you're going to be posting informative videos, you can try out this website called Flickify. Flickify helps you convert your already written script, that is text, into videos with zero effort on your part. It literally translates text to videos. You could also try the site Synthesia.io that uses lifelike AI avatars who will appear in your videos on your behalf and recite any script you feed them. So now we're done with Faceless YouTube channel strategy. Next is, how are you going to get viewers for your new Faceless YouTube channel? Some smart ways to do that are: number 1, creating high quality content. Focus on producing content that is informative, entertaining, or solves a problem for your audience. Second point for me is to learn how to optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video title, in your description, and in your tag to improve your visibility in YouTube search results. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and TubeBuddy come in handy when searching for relevant keywords to use in your video. Next is to always engage with your audience. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers to build a loyal and solid fan base. Consider posting on your community tab. That's when you get to that point. Create a forum where you can talk with them one-on-one. Just make your community feel good is all I'm trying to say. The last point is, I would say kind of optional, but it works if you think of infusing it, and that is offering incentives for subscription, such as a chance to win a prize or a giveaway to a random subscriber, just to let them know that you are appreciative of the fact that they are subscribed to your channel. That way they will spread the news to other people and say, oh, this person appreciates us, she values our subscription, and all of that stuff. So these are simple tips that you can apply to your new Faceless YouTube channel and watch it grow. Keep in mind that establishing a successful Faceless YouTube channel requires patience and dedication. You should prioritize creating top-notch content, optimizing your videos, and actively engaging with your community. Maintain a consistent posting schedule like I mentioned, and things will work out for you. Stay committed to this for the long term. Don't expect results immediately. It happens to some people, but for some of us, it wasn't so fast. Here's me wishing you all the best, and I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section as well, sharing the video, and subscribing if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation community. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Bye, y'all.